So this week, my main tasks are, as regards game dev, is to get the pitch black platform into a sort of working alpha state, wherein you can get your phone, swipe across left and right, and access different parts of the pitch black ecosystem, which as of October will contain a sort of full game in episodic releases on your mobile, and a lot earlier than that, audio mini games based within the pitch black universe, such as Audio Pong and a version of Space Invaders we're making for audio, as well as a bunch of other different small mini games. Also on the pitch black platform, we're going to be featuring binaural audiobooks, but very short, sort of 5 to 10 minute ones, which will be available to download for about 90p, I think, maybe £1, which is very exciting. And they'll be set in the same universe as the pitch black Dusklight story game, and so all of its sort of world building, introducing potential players or listeners to the game. And we'll also be doing some sort of simulations where the player can actually move their head around or move their phone around to listen to different parts of their ambisonic audio that they're hearing. So this week I'm sort of doing that. And then towards the end of the week, I'm going to get a demo of the sewer sort of in a fairly releasable state. And also the desert and the pumping station, which is sort of a factory type environment. I'm going to get that into a releasable state. So for everyone who's supported the latest build release of the Kickstarter, there'll be a lot of stuff for you to play to soon. Also, the Kickstarter money has just come in, which is good because now we can know exactly who's backed what, and we get a big list of everyone at the different tiers, and so I can send out appropriate emails and surveys to everyone within certain groups, and see whether or not they're a Mac user or a PC user, and whether or not they're Android or iPhone, and also email addresses and such things, so that I can send out appropriate information. Also, that's Ned there, the Triceratops, and he says hello. This is Harry, the Unity guy, the coding guy. Other than sort of the businessy stuff, which I tend to do a lot of, this week I've been working on getting the Pitch Black platform app up and running, and sort of looking into how you sell things via the App Store and how you deal with in-app transactions and all that stuff, which has been really fascinating. The video you're looking at now, essentially what I'm doing is using the Unity remote app to test mechanics, or the swipe actions within Unity itself. So my phone's actually plugged in, and I'm swiping left and right and tapping, then double tapping, and you can see that's coming through. What that's doing is moving what will be the audio listener across to the right and to the left, and then depending on position, you're going to be able to hear one sort of part of the app or another part of the app, and it's all being spatialized using the same technology as we're using in the main game, to help keep all the spatial audio nice and cohesive for our listeners and players. So that's what I'm doing. Other than that, I'm going to be looking at getting a very quick sort of sewer demo ready for those Kickstarter backers who wanted the constant build access, and we should be releasing that maybe next week to them. All good stuff.